Welcome to the WaveLinx CAT Wallstation installer video.
So, what's in the box? On top, you'll find instructions, and then the Wallstation. The Wallstation can be ordered in different colors, as well as different button combinations for different functions. WaveLinx CAT Wallstations can also be ordered with custom labeling. Pressing and holding the button on the lower right-hand side of the Wallstation for 5 seconds will factory reset the CAT Wallstation. WaveLinx CAT devices get wired in a daisy chain. Each of the CAT 5 ports on the back side of the device should have a CAT 5 cable or end-of-line terminator. WaveLinx CAT Wallstations can be mounted into a standard 1-gang box. Since the devices are wired in a daisy chain, it doesn't matter which CAT 5 cable gets plugged into which port. On the back side of the Wallstation, a faceplate is not provided and must be ordered separately. When first powered, the WaveLinx Wallstation will blink green and then blink blue when buttons are pressed. I hope this video was informative, and thanks for watching.